Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm not going to call this part 2, even though I did this video yesterday. Before I deleted it, I started thinking it'd be neat to be able to double blend it, but it didn't really work, so I thought of a couple scenarios. So I've got a red line on each end and a yellow line in the middle. I'm going to blend those two that many times. This didn't turn out like expected. I'm going to go to break blend apart, and then I'm going to grab the last yellow line, shift select the red, and hit apply. And I'm thinking, that's cool, but you could do that with the interactive fill tool. Now, one thing you probably can't do with the interactive fill tool is do a shape like this. So I'm going to shift select those two and hit apply. And see, you kind of got a ghost star. I'm going to go to object, break the blend apart, and try to grab that last one, shift select the red one now, and hit apply. Now that maybe we can try making this green. Whoop, I left click instead of right click. So grab the last, if you look, it's just that last, it's the first one I blended. And then shift select the green and hit apply. You couldn't really do that with the interactive fill tool because of the shape. And like, I'm going to go back to where it was. Well, where's the double blend? Ha, it didn't save it. So grab the last one, shift select the red one, and hit apply. You couldn't probably get that effect. You could get this effect most definitely with the interactive fill tool. And we can kind of prove that by taking a rectangle about that size, fill it in with red, get the interactive fill tool and swipe across and put red on both ends, and then put yellow in the middle. So you can almost get that same look with the interactive fill tool, but I don't think you could get, well, you couldn't get this shape. Well, there may be some graphic artists that could do that because you can almost see a yellow star in there. Anyway, so not as cool as I thought it was going to be, but I thought I'd show that because I was going to try to do both ways. There's just not enough room in that graphic. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.